Dylan.
I'm Aiden.
And I'm Medi.
And we're the MedeaMonsters. So here's some robot facts. We always have two large motors on our robot to drive and steer. And occasionally we have an extra large motor over here or somewhere to as an extra arm to accomplish different tasks or missions. And we used to have a color sensor, but once we found out that it didn't work well with our missions, we removed it. We use an EV3 software, and we have 7 programs in total on the robot.
Okay. These are our accessories that we use for our missions. So first, we have this for the shark tank to push the shark tank into position, and these wheels are for the robot so it moves more smoothly. This is an aligner, so we don't have to memorize the starting position every single time for the missions. Next, we have a wall for pulling the pig and the bee back into the base so they don't get in our way. These two accessories are for getting the food out of the fridge and bringing them back into the base. This is a claw to pull the lever on the fridge, and then when the food falls out, and the food will fall out into this box collector, and we just drag it back into base.
And we have these things. We have this to align itself with the fridge, and with the claws on top can always get in place.
Next, we have this injector to push the food into its position in circles. So for food out 1 and 2, we just put the food in this compartment and we just push it there. On 3 and 4, we put food 3's food in the compartment and food 4's food in the basket. So we just push food 3's food into the circle, and then since we would usually run out of time, our robot just pushes the injector into the circle, and the food will be in the circle already. So
And we just leave it on the robot. We just leave the robot here. Here.
Okay.
So we combine these missions.
And we have some accessories that we built before, maybe a few months before, but we made some changes or we removed them completely.
We decided not to use those because we didn't have enough time to do them, and they took too long. Either they took too long or they weren't worth enough points.
I was about to ask how you had 4 motors on your attachments.
Yeah.
So this is for the biomimicry. This accessory is for picking up the zoologist and the dog trainer and putting them into the box.
How can you have so many of those little fingers on it?
So we have a bigger chance of scooping it along. We put this on a robot, and our robot goes towards the bee. The robot picks up the bee, and then we drop it on the beehive.
Nice.
Yeah.
4 bar.
So programming. First, so this is for the process of programming. First, we reviewed missions and tackled the help us to get an idea. Then we made trip plans. We improved programs by making one change at a time and tracking results. And then we added comments to our code so we can remember the reason for certain configuration, and also so our teammates can continue the work of programs.
Okay.
Mechanical design. Our robot is very durable. Our accessories stay on, but they're easy to take off so we can change them quickly. Sometimes our speed seems slow, but we did that on purpose so our robot can be more accurate. Our programs are accurate as long as there are no mechanical problems and our starting position is right.
Design process. Our team designed our robots from inspiration from other FLL contests. YouTube had plenty of inspiration for us. Frank and Dylan were the main programmers of our group, and they programmed most of the missions with the help of others. Me, Trent, and Eddie, and Eddie did the building accessories mostly, and then Aiden and Casey's not here because he couldn't come. They were like the behind the scene measuring the rotations.
They did a little bit of everything too.
Like a little bit of everything. Strategy. Our strategy was to maximize points. By doing the missions that were easy and gave tons of points. We had 2 robots, so we divided and conquered. So then we split our group into 2 groups. So so we could do each mission more effectively. Our favorite mission was doing the food because it gave plenty of points and took a lot of creativity to do.
And design detail fun. The thing that we thought was the most fun was for the bee project. Because when we try to put the bee on the beehive like this, it always slammed down too hard because of the weight of this. So we tried many different things to stop it, but then at one point we tried this rubber band, the most simplest thing of all, like compared to all the complicated things we did. We thought this was pretty funny because it actually worked. So it lessens the speed that it goes down.
Innovation. We each have our favorite missions and the design and programming work that went into it. We believe that the design and learning for the food out missions using the injector was the most significant. Our reasons were that first, when we just started building this, we only had these two lines here and then this back part with these. So we only did food 1, 2, and 3. We never thought about doing this until yesterday, 2 days ago yesterday. And when we built this, we actually had another team because we went for community share in the library. We actually had another team sort of take pieces from here, so we had to rebuild it. And in my opinion, we rebuilt a better model.
That's good.
But Eddie, you got a picture of the original one, right? On the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So our
we have
original
some-
one was simply just this.
these are some of our original
But then when we decided to
accessories.
combine food 3 and food 4 to save time, we had to add an extra crate here in order to do both of them combined.
Yeah, you can kind of like notice we didn't put the wheels on yet. We didn't know about it.
Okay.
We didn't have the extra stuff.
So,
Injector.
you guys gonna run the robot for us?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. 'Cause we're getting pretty low on time, so I wanna see you guys run this thing.
Okay, sure, one down.
That sets the distance right there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. I like that. Okay, let's go.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
No,
Or-
you're still running missions. No,
Oh,
you're not out of time.
oh,
Go,
sorry.
keep going.
We don't